Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix easy anti-cheat launch error. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go to find the problematic game. Okay, in my case, I do have it on my Steam app, VR chat. Okay, so what you'll do is just right click on the problematic game. Now, go ahead and click on manage and browse local files. You can do the same while using your Epic Games Launcher. Okay, now once you're in the game folder, you can go ahead and double click on Easy Anti-Cheat like so and find Easy Anti-Cheat EOS setup. Okay, click on it, right click and click on show more options, hit on send to desktop. Okay, now once that's done, you'll be able to see the Easy Anti-Cheat shortcut. So what you'll do is just right click on it, hit on properties. Now in here under target, just move to the far right until the last text, okay, right here, and hit on space. Now all you do is just type in repair, okay, again, repair. And once that's done, just hit on apply, hit on OK, double click on it. There'll be a pop-up, just click on yes, and you should be good to go. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, we'll still have an option, okay? Go ahead and go to your search bar and type down firewall. And in here, just gotta find firewall and network protection. Okay, click on it. And in here, just click on allow an app through firewall. And in here, click on change settings. Click on allow another app. Now click on browse. Okay, gotta find the shortcut that is saved on our desktop. So click on desktop. Make sure that Easy Anti-Cheat is highlighted and hit on open. Hit on add. And in here, we have it added. So make sure that both private and public are checked. Okay. Hit on OK. Close this one. Double click on it again. And everything should work perfectly fine now. And that is it. Go on, launch your game and enjoy. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.